how to delete Facebook account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bipin Bisnal, and today I'll guide you on how you can delete the Facebook account. Now the process itself is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide through. In order to delete your Facebook account, first make sure that your application is updated to the latest version. You want to open up Facebook, and what you want to do is you want to make sure you want to tap on the three horizontal line icon at the top right corner, and then tap on settings icon just below it. Once there, under settings and privacy, you'll find the option account center. You want to simply tap on it. There you want to select the option that says personal details. You'll find it option under the account settings option, so you want to tap on it, and then tap on account owner spend control, and deactivation or deletion option, you want to tap on it, and you want to select your Facebook account. If you have multiple accounts linked, it'll show up here, so you want to select your Facebook account that you wish to delete. Then to select the delete account option, you want to tap on it, and you want to make sure that the blue check mark is on the delete account option. Tap on continue and go ahead and enter in your password. You'll be good to go. So this way you can delete your Facebook account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.